How to make pizza at home. A step-by-step guide introduction. Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to make delicious pizza in the comfort of your own home, whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner in the kitchen. This simple recipe will allow you to enjoy the satisfaction of creating your very own homemade pizza. So grab your apron and let's get started. Step 1, gather your ingredients to make the perfect homemade pizza. You'll need the following ingredients: 1 to 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of active, dry yeast, 1 cup of warm water, about 110-45 degrees. 2 tablespoons of olive oil, your favorite pizza toppings, sauce, cheese, vegetables, meats, etc. Step 2, preparing the dough in a large mixing bowl. Combine the flour, salt, and sugar. Make a well in the center and pour in the warm water. Sprinkle the yeast over the water and let it sit for about 5 minutes until it becomes foamy. Add the olive oil to the mixture. Step 3, kneading the dough using your hands. Gradually bring the flour into the center, mixing until a sticky dough forms. Transfer the dough onto a lightly floured surface and begin kneading it for about 5 to 7 minutes until it becomes smooth and elastic. Step 4, letting the dough rise. Place the dough in a greased bowl, turning it over to ensure all sides are coated. Cover the bowl with a clean kitchen towel and let the dough rise in a warm, draft-free area for about 1 to 2 hours or until it doubles in size. Step 5, shaping the dough. Once the dough has risen, gently punch it down to release excess air. Transfer it onto a floured surface and divide it into 2 equal portions. Shape each portion into a round ball and cover them with a towel. Allow the dough to rest for about 10 minutes. Step 6, preparing the pizza. Preheat your oven to 475 degrees to 45 degrees. Take one of the dough balls and roll it out on a floured surface until you achieve your desired thickness. Transfer the dough onto a baking sheet or pizza stone. Repeat with the second dough ball if desired. Step 7, adding topping. Spread your favorite pizza sauce onto the rolled out dough, leaving a small border around the edges. Add your chosen toppings, such as cheese, vegetables, meats, and herbs, according to your preferences. Step 8, baking the pizza. Place your pizza in the preheated oven and bake for approximately 12 to 15 minutes, or until the crust is golden brown and the cheese is melted and bubbly. Step 9, serving and enjoying. Carefully remove the pizza from the oven using oven mitts or a heat-proof spatula. Allow it to cool for a few minutes before slicing and serving. Grab a slice, savor the flavors, and enjoy your homemade pizza creation. Conclusion: making your own pizza at home is a wonderful way to unleash your creativity and enjoy a delicious meal. With this simple step-by-step guide, you'll have the confidence to create mouth-watering pizzas tailored to your taste. So why wait? Put your culinary skills to the test and start making your very own homemade pizza today. Bon appétit!